Are you worried about capital gains taxes eating away at your hard-earned retirement savings? You're not alone. For retirees, tax burdens can quickly spiral out of control, leaving you with far less than you expected. But what if there was a way to avoid those crushing taxes, preserve your wealth, and still protect your future? Let's take a look at what's happening in the economy right now. With inflation still climbing and the stock market showing signs of uncertainty, it's more important than ever to think strategically about your retirement funds. Recent headlines have been dominated by talk of the economy slowing down, interest rates on the rise, and investors panicking. In fact, many financial experts predict that the next few years will bring even more turbulence. If you're nearing or in retirement, this can feel like a perfect storm of financial instability. That's where Gold IRAs come in. Gold has been a safe haven during times of economic uncertainty for centuries, and now it's your chance to make sure your retirement savings are protected from these volatile times. Meet James, a retiree from Michigan who saw his 401k hit hard by the stock market fluctuations. James had worked his whole life to build his retirement savings. At 62, with over $500,000 in his 401k, he thought he was set. But after seeing his portfolio take a significant dip, James realized that he couldn't afford to risk losing any more of his hard-earned wealth. That's when he took action. James rolled a portion of his 401k into a Gold IRA and immediately saw the peace of mind that came with knowing his savings were protected from the market's ups and downs. Now, James doesn't have to worry about capital gains taxes eating away at his wealth. Gold's value has only increased over time, meaning his investment is secure and he's avoiding hefty tax penalties. The best part? James isn't alone. Retirees all over the country are making the same decision to protect their wealth through Gold IRAs. Whether you have $100,000 or several million, this strategy can work for you too. You might be wondering, why gold? The simple truth is that gold is one of the few assets that has historically maintained its value in times of crisis. By moving some of your retirement savings into gold, you're securing your nest egg against the unpredictable swings of the market and safeguarding it from taxes. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about making a smart, secure move with your future in mind. Gold doesn't have the same tax penalties that stocks and other assets do, so when it's time to withdraw, you're not getting hit with a huge capital gains tax bill. In fact, a Gold IRA can help you avoid paying capital gains taxes altogether if you plan your rollover correctly. But here's the thing. You worked hard to build your retirement savings, and you deserve to protect it for the future. You shouldn't have to gamble with your hard-earned money, especially when it comes to something as important as your retirement. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Is this really the right move for me? That's why I'm offering you a free Gold IRA guide and a no-obligation educational call to help you decide if this strategy is right for you. This isn't a sales pitch. It's simply a chance for you to get the facts, ask questions, and make an informed decision. We won't pressure you to sign up for anything, and we won't try to sell you anything. It's just a quick call to see if a Gold IRA is the right fit for your retirement goals. You've worked too hard for your money to risk it. Whether you're planning to travel, enjoy your retirement, or leave a legacy for your family, it's time to take control. Get your free guide now and schedule your call to learn how you can avoid the devastating effects of capital gains taxes and protect your retirement. Take that first step today. You owe it to yourself and your future.